Hey there. Welcome to the Seller 365 Challenge. In this series, we're going to help you tackle the key features of Seller 365, step by step. By the end, you'll be confidently growing your Amazon business using the essential tools that Seller 365 offers. We know that starting with new tools can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. We've made sure everything is quick, simple, and easy to follow. Come on, let's dive in. In order to get a 14-day free trial with Seller 365, link your seller account to any app included with Seller 365. For this challenge, let's link your InventoryLab account. Here's how to get started. Once logged into your InventoryLab account, you'll see a prompt asking you to connect to your Amazon seller account. This is done through Amazon Selling Partner API. It's super easy. When you're prompted, simply click OK, and you'll be directed to Amazon Seller Central. Next, you'll sign in using your Seller Central login credentials. After that, you'll be brought to a screen where you can review and agree to authorize InventoryLab's access to data from your seller account. Make sure the check mark is selected and click Confirm. And that's it. Once you connect your Amazon seller account to the rest of your apps, you're ready to take full advantage of all of the sourcing, listing, winning, and accounting tools available to you. By linking your account, you're one step closer to becoming an expert on all the tools that will help you maximize your sales and grow your business. Stay tuned for the next part of the challenge. We'll guide you through even more exciting features. But for now, take a moment to celebrate. You've just unlocked more free trial days and connected your seller account. Great job, and see you in the next challenge.